some stuff from Zara. Let's try it on. First one is this bodysuit. I love it. It's a seamless bodysuit. I love the low cut, pretty comfortable. I really like how you can get that really smooth line underneath pants, skirts, shorts. These are just some plain black wide-legged pants. As usual, I would have to get them taken up. I like them, but I don't like them enough. This is kind of fun. This is a mini skirt slash skort. It's channeling the kind of Mew Mew look. I love the little pleated tennis vibe. I could wear this in winter with a big roll neck jumper and a pair of boots. Bought another pair of some wide leg pants. Again, way too long, but I don't love them. I thought this dress was cute. Knits are one of those fabrics that you can get away with buying inexpensively, provided they are like a thicker knit, they're not too thin, and they hug you in all the right places. And finally, I bought this singlet. I had high hopes for it. I really like the sheer fabric. However, on closer inspection, I've noticed that the stitching's a little bit off. This skirt is an old Elka Collective skirt, so I'm looking for a bodysuit or white singlet that will go with it, but this is not it.